Right, Bosch cordless drill. Something wrong here. Change lever. Problem with the change lever, she's not engaging right. That's not very old. This could be a factory fault. This could be a very unusual one if it is. You do get factory faults the odd time from all brands, but you don't often see it with Bosch. Brand new. She's done nothing. The sensor here, need to watch that. So I imagine this is going to be the gear selector. I thought it was the selector, not engaged on the ring gear correctly, and engaged in the wee slots instead of there, but it's actually not that. To be honest, I'm not sure what it is. So we're going to open it and find out. Now, this may be brand new, but it's got no badge. There's no warranty, I'm afraid. See what's wrong. It is engaging and disengaging as it should. The advantage of the Bosch drill. Actual first and second gear normally is just done by locking this planetary gear. On the Bosch, actual lock pins, instead of being plastic, are actually metal, so these don't wear out in the Bosch. You're not going to have a drill with one gear stripped. There is our problem. She's meant to be mounted like that. These two wee ends sticking up. They locate into these holes. Back here. Which is all fine, that was correct. Because this gear has to move up and down. See the holes? They're covered. This washer has two notches cut out. It's meant to line up with those two holes. So it's just a simple manufacturing problem. Somebody was having a bad Monday. There we go. They have to stick out there. So before, that gear was sitting too far back. It wasn't giving this gear enough room to play, to go back and forth. So locate that washer, push it all the way in. That should cure the problem. Which is handy because without a warranty, it's expensive to replace this gearbox. We'll chance that, see what it does. Notch back there, and the gear that has to go into to grab it. And the same on this side. Now, that seems better. Chance that, see if it does the trick. Look at that. Simple as that. That's the job. Not often you see it, especially from a Bosch. It's simply a little manufacturing fault in the gearbox. One washer just put in incorrectly. That's what stopped the gearbox working correctly. Simple fix.